What's up YouTube? It's Jordan Moyer, your fitness coach. And if you're on a fat loss journey right now, or you're dieting to build muscle, or just want to eat healthy and delicious food in general, then this video is for you. We all know that fat loss and body composition change in general is mostly achieved through diet. So that's why today we're making sweet and spicy chicken stir-fry meal prep. Now, if you stay and watch to the end of the video, you'll know exactly how you can make this delicious recipe a part of your meal plan, no matter what your macros are. Okay, so I went ahead and already prepped the chicken up, chopped up a little bit. I'm gonna throw the onion right on in there, and then I'm gonna throw the majority of our spices on in there as well. It's a common misconception, but salt is actually good for you, and most people are deficient in it, right? Sodium, a little different. We got some chili, we got some garlic, and we got some Alberta seasoning spice. Don't leave home without it. Tex-Mex, and a little dash of this. Mrs. Need pepper. Of course, this was hidden. She doesn't like spicy. Yeah, it's probably gonna be very spicy. Okay, now this sauce, per 30 mils, this is 60 calories. I got a half cup measuring cat right here, so 240 calories, right? This sauce is, there's no fat in it. It's like literally all carbs, so it's just perfect for me. Yeah, zero fat, and it would probably be perfect for anyone on a diet, because on a diet, typically you want to keep your dietary fat low, unless you're one of those keto cult members, in which case don't even start with me. Perfect. Okay, throw it all in there with the spices, mix it all up. Okay, so one thing is I didn't chop up the chicken quite small enough for this, so I waited for it to cook a little bit, and then I'm just gonna hack it up in the pan with this spatula, which you can also do if you don't like to dice your raw chicken incredibly small. Okay, so this is what I do if I'm using frozen vegetables. I'm just gonna take them while they're still frozen and then put them into the meal prep. Because I'm gonna put it back into the fridge anyway. So it's literally just gonna allow them to thaw, and then they're gonna cook when it gets microwaved. And we're really slacking on my vegetable intake, so decided to put about a cup in there, which make the meals a little bit more filling, but I think it's pretty necessary to be getting a little more vegetables in right now, especially because it's fall, so everyone wants to keep their immune system strong, right? And then I'm gonna portion this out with a ladle, and it's not as exact as weighing, but really I'm just eating the same thing over 5 days, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. A little more difficult to portion out the remaining part because it's not going to be full scoops, but maybe I didn't put enough cayenne. It's not very spicy, but still really good. So there you have the chicken and rice meal prep. Sweet and spicy, but maybe next time we'll add a little more cayenne. Quickly, if you like where this is going, if you like the idea of great tasting meal prep, be sure to leave a comment and let me know that you did. It really helps this channel out in a phenomenal way. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because you're not going to want to miss all of the awesome stuff we've got coming your way. But that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one.